Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I'm doing something a little bit different. The company Chalkola contacted me and wanted to know if I wanted to try their products, their chalkboard markers, and then they also ended up sending me this adorable little chalkboard. And of course I said, yeah, you guys know the huge chalkboard I have in my kitchen. I've always wanted to try chalkboard markers on that and I never have. So I thought this was an awesome opportunity. So stick around and let's check it out. So for this video, I decided to use the little chalkboard that they sent me because I wanted to make a cute little sign for my kids' playroom. After this, I am planning on doing my chalkboard in my kitchen, so I'll show you guys that another time. But as you can see, they sent me the 30 chalk markers, works on all non-porous surfaces, 6mm reversible tip, and let's see. Here in my little art piece, I'm just figuring out what colors I want to use, and there is kind of a method to get them going. So you shake well with the cap on for about 30 seconds, and then you push the tip up and down to and fro.
That's what it says on the directions. Press the tip to and fro multiple times.
And then it gets the ink flowing. You recap tightly and store them in a horizontal position while you're using them. And the ink, the chalk ink, just flows out of them and it works awesome. It says to wash off, you must use a wet cloth or Windex. So that is the directions on there. And then on the actual pen, it says best used on all non-porous surfaces, glass, non-porous chalkboard, blackboard, ceramic, stone, and mirror. So I thought that was pretty cool that you could use them on those surfaces too. So the people at Chalkola were wonderful, and they did provide me with a coupon code. I will flash up here. It's Chalkola10. I will link the products on Amazon, and you can use the discount code on Amazon. And down below, I'll link their website too, which is chalkola.com. And they were also kind enough to offer to give a giveaway of my choice to one of my subscribers. So you guys are welcome to subscribe to the giveaway. I will run it until probably the 19th, Sunday the 19th. Maybe I will do the drawing at noon. So if you want to enter the drawing, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and subscribe to Chalkola's YouTube channel. I will link that below. And then if you could leave me a comment down below saying that you would like to be entered, then I will know that you want to be a part of it. And I will just do the random comment generator picker to pick a winner on Sunday. So I am really liking these, you guys. I decided to kind of speed it up so that you guys didn't have to sit and watch me him and haw, but they work so well. The chalk flows really nicely out of them, the chalk ink. They don't skip. They dry relatively quickly. Like I didn't have to worry about putting my hand in it after they were dry. They didn't smudge. And then the colors were super vibrant. That's one thing that I totally was not expecting, was the colors to be so vibrant. I've never used chalk markers, and these definitely exceeded my expectations. So I am super excited to use them, not only on this, but up in my kitchen, because with all these colors, I can make some super cute seasonal signs and just fun signs for my kids. You guys know they love seeing different ones. So I am just super pleased. So this giveaway that I'm going to run until Sunday, January 19th, is only good for the US, Canada, and UK, unfortunately. So if you are interested, yeah, like I said, just those three things, like my video, subscribe to their channel and subscribe to my channel, and just leave me a comment down below that you would like to be entered. And if you are interested in buying them yourself and you don't want to wait, hey, I get it. I am extremely impatient. And then just hop on over to Amazon and you can buy them there and use the discount, or hop on over to their website. This is not an affiliate link. When you purchase the Chalkola using that that code, it doesn't make me money, but if it's through my Amazon link, then I do earn a small commission off of Amazon links. So the company Chalkola did not pay me to say this. I really do like these products, and I think they're really cool. So if you are into things like this, then check it out for sure. And I think that they would actually be really fun to maybe use in my journal too. I'm going to see. I mean, I might as well try, right? I don't follow no rules. But, anyways, I'll just slap on some music and let you guys watch me do this little doodly sign. I just found an image online that I thought was super cute, and it meant a lot to me because this is a song that I sing to my kids all the time, and I used to sing especially to them before they went to sleep when they were little babies, and they love it. So I thought that would be perfect for their playroom. So I hope you guys are doing well and that you take advantage of this little giveaway. Chalkola, I will contact you if you win and then pass your information on to the company who will send you your prize directly, which I'm choosing to be this pack of 30 chalk markers. So if you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. Otherwise, I'm so happy that you're here and that you're checking out my channel, and I hope you have a great day. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.